Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a mini Among Us, so let's get started. To draw this cute mini, let's first start by drawing the visor helmet area. So I'm going to come right here and start to draw a curve. And we're basically aiming to draw kind of like this ovalish, very rounded off rectangle. So it's a lot rounder and wider than the regular size Among Us character. So let's come right here. I'm just going to pop this out and connect. So it's nice and round and much thicker. Okay, so there's something like that. And then we're going to come right outside. So come from this edge, we're going to come out, say about this much. Just give myself a point. And I'm going to go around. And just like the regular size Among Us, we're going to come up and come about right here. So come up, curve, and start to bring it down about right here. And then we're going to imagine this coming through. So about right here, it's going to pop right back out. And this is going to come down. And that is pretty much it. Just kidding. So let's bring this down. And for this Among Us mini, I decided to have it sitting down. But if you want yours to be standing up, then you would just follow my regular Among Us video and you just draw two curves right here. But if you want yours sitting down, let's come back to about right here, right underneath the visor. And I'm going to draw a leg about right here that comes out. And it's going to be about right here towards the center of this visor. So that's your goal. You want to draw this curve towards the center. And then we're just going to go ahead and connect it. There. So let's do the same thing on this side. It's pretty much level. So about right here, I'm going to pop out the other leg and then just tuck it right back in. There. So cute, right? And then the pack, of course. So kind of right about the visor center area, we're going to come right here, draw out a curve. Nice thick pack. And we're just going to tuck it in about right there. And that is pretty much it for the Among Us mini version of a crewmate or imposter. And I'm going to go ahead and color it today. I'm going to make mine orange today. And I'm just using your basic Crayola markers and colored pencils to get more colors for the shadow areas. So they're all done. I really hope you love this mini version just as much as my regular version from Among Us. And whatever color you decide to color your Among Us character, just try to find the best color you can to create the shadow area. And that's why I'm using colored pencils, because I just have more options that way. Other than that, I really hope I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me. And thanks so much for watching. And remember to please subscribe and to turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.